Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. But before we dive into the review, if you want to download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, you can grab that using the link right down in the description below. Alright, so in this video, we are taking a look at AutoTrader X. It's an expert advisor developed by Minh Nguyen, available on the MQL5 Marketplace. And right off the top, as you can see on the page, this EA is built specifically for MetaTrader 5. All right. And it's currently listed as a free download. Okay. It is sitting on version 2.0 with the latest update dated August 18, 2026. All right, so moving down into the description, the listing explains that AutoTrader X is a multi-mode expert advisor designed to automate trade execution either through its own internal logic or by syncing with supported external indicators. The developer outlines three distinct operating modes right at the start. So let us break down how those work. Mode 1 is the internal logic option. So in this mode, the EA does not require any external indicators. According to the developer, it generates signals using a stochastic oscillator combined with EMA, ADX, RSI, and Ichimoku filters. So for this specific mode, the seller provides a suggested configuration using XAU-USD on the M15 time frame, with a recommended starting balance of $500 or more. Having multi-indicator filtering is interesting from a trader's perspective because it aims to confirm momentum and trend alignment before entering. Though, as always, filtering multiple indicators can affect trade frequency depending on market conditions. All right, so now looking at mode 2. Okay, mode 2 is the trend eye sync, which allows the EA to execute trades, based on signals from the trend eye indicator attached to the same chart. And we have mode 3, which functions similarly as Fibo Sniper Pro Sync, which links up with the Fibo Sniper Pro indicator. Okay, so the developer notes that in modes 2 and 3, AutoTrader X does not generate its own signals. All right, it acts purely as an automated extension, or rather an automated execution and trade management tool, reading buy and sell triggers, stop loss, take profits, and opposite signal information directly from those indicators. Okay, so looking further down at the main features, the listing details built-in ATR-based stop loss and take profit management, opposite signal position closing, fixed lot or risk-based lot sizing, daily profit and loss limits, and a chart dashboard with notifications. All right, so features like risk-based lot sizing and daily profit and loss limits are worth paying attention to because they give traders direct control over capital preservation and daily drawdown exposure. Okay, so in the setup and account recommendation sections, the listing highlights that for modes 2 and 3, you need to load the respective indicator onto the chart first. Then you attach the EA and you select the matching signal mode parameter. All right, the developer suggests using low spread ECN, raw or standard accounts, noting that XAU-USD, BTC-USD, and major Forex pairs can be used depending on your setup. All right, so let's just quickly go and see the strategy tester report. I actually backtested this AutoTrader X expert advisor on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame as recommended. Okay, and I backtested over the past roughly 8 months from the start of 2026 till date, basically, and I'm using the every tick modeling, okay, for a level of accuracy. Now we can see that the initial deposit was $10,000, and the total net profit that we have here was over 220%. Okay, we can see that the total net profit $22,817.75, and we have the maximal balance drawdown at 58.93%. That is really, really big. All right, so it's a concern. It's a concern that the drawdown reached almost 59%, approximately 59% balance drawdown, and then the equity drawdown maximal got to 60%, 60.17%. All right, so that's quite a large drawdown. Okay, and then we can see that the total trades taken were 185, out of which 74 were profitable. So in addition to the large drawdown, another concern is the fact that the win rate is just 40%. You can see that here, right? So large drawdown, 40% win rate, but the risk to reward ratio on average is okay, because the average profit is 2,573.34, but the average loss is 1,509.99. So the difference is reasonable. The average profit is bigger than the average loss with a reasonable difference. Okay. All right, but we cannot just ignore the fact that the drawdown is really concerning. All right, the drawdown is concerning. Okay, so if we look at the graph, we can also see how it's just kind of rough. You can see actually it was rising steadily for a while, with some level of pullbacks and all of that, and then eventually it just seemed to be so, the zigzag seemed to be just so more erratic and all of that. Okay, so in conclusion, the developer of this expert advisor includes a clear risk disclaimer reminding users that AutoTrader X does not guarantee profit and that trading carries inherent market risk. So they strongly recommend testing the EA on a demo account first to evaluate its performance and parameters. Okay, overall, AutoTrader X offers a flexible mode execution setup for MT5 users, but as with any automated tool, running through demo tests is the smartest way to see if its execution logic fits your personal trading style. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.